if you don't want to waste those Easter leftovers, especially the eggs, today Howard shows us how to make a BLT egg salad in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
I hope you had a great Easter. And like the day after most holidays, I bet your fridge is packed with leftovers. And for most of us, that means we'll be chowing down on ham sandwiches for weeks to come. And if you look through your fridge, you'll probably find a bowl of hard-boiled eggs somewhere in there. If so, I've got an idea for what you can do with them. First of all, hard-boiled eggs will last for about a week if they've been refrigerated. That means if you have eggs that you use for an Easter egg hunt that have been out at room temperature for a while, you should toss those out. For the rest, why not chop those up and add some mayo, a bit of yellow mustard, a little salt and pepper, and a good amount of crumbled bacon. Once that's mixed, serve it over some lettuce and sliced tomatoes, and you've got a new dish that doesn't taste like leftovers. It sounds so simple, but the combo of the tangy mustard and the smoky bacon makes this really come alive. So what do you say you go online and get the recipe for our BLT egg salad, along with tips and a video on how to make the perfect hard-boiled eggs, so you can turn these into this. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a simple and tasty way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Yes, Howard, that's an excellent idea. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.